If you're tackling car diagnostics or electrical repairs, a reliable multimeter is a must-have tool. The best multimeter for automotive work ensures accurate readings for voltage, current, and resistance, helping you quickly pinpoint issues and keep your vehicle running smoothly. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. ZOYI 3 50 MHz Multimeter. The ZOYI 3 50 MHz multimeter is a reliable, no-nonsense tool built for automotive diagnostics and general electrical work. With its auto-ranging capability and clear digital display, it makes checking DC voltage, AC voltage, resistance, and current a straightforward task. This multimeter covers a wide measuring range, handling DC voltage from 9.999 millivolts to 999.9 volts, and AC and DC current up to 9.999 amps, ideal for tasks under the hood or around the garage. The large backlit screen ensures clear visibility in dimly lit spaces like engine compartments. Measuring capacitance is also simple with a range from 9.999 MF to 999.9 NF, although it lacks induction measuring capability. Certified with CE and UL, it meets essential safety standards, and the compact design feels solid without being bulky. The auto mode operation saves time by automatically selecting the appropriate range, reducing hassle for users of all skill levels. Whether you're diagnosing a stubborn battery drain or verifying voltage on a vehicle's electrical system, the ZOYI 3 delivers dependable performance. It's an excellent pick for mechanics, DIYers, or anyone needing a sturdy, no-frills automotive multimeter. Number 2. Signal Generator Oscilloscope Multimeter. The Signal Generator Oscilloscope Multimeter is an impressive 3-in-1 device that combines the functionality of a digital oscilloscope, a precise multimeter, and a signal generator, making it a versatile companion for automotive and electronics work. The sharp 3.2-inch IPS display ensures crisp waveform and measurement readings, even in bright or awkward workspaces. With its built-in true RMS multimeter, this unit measures DC, AC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, and continuity with reliable accuracy. Its dual-channel display is particularly useful for comparing multiple signals or diagnosing phase differences. Ideal for tackling stubborn electronic control module, ECM glitches, or sensor issues in cars. A standout tool for automotive electricians and hobbyists craving a portable, all-in-one diagnostic powerhouse. Number 3. KKMOON 120 MHz Multimeter. The KKMOON 120 MHz multimeter is a solid, dependable option for anyone seeking a straightforward battery-powered multimeter with true RMS capabilities. Designed for accurate automotive and general electrical testing, it features a crisp 1,999 counts LCD display, complete with a backlight for easy viewing in dim garages or under dashboards. This device covers essential measurements like DC, AC voltage, current, resistance, diode, continuity, and capacitance. Its auto-ranging feature makes it simple for both beginners and experienced users, while the inclusion of manual ranging allows for added control when needed. Although it lacks advanced extras like an oscilloscope or signal generator, its reliability and clear, quick updates at 3 readings per second make it dependable for everyday automotive diagnostics, whether checking alternator outputs, verifying continuity, or measuring sensor voltages. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts or professionals seeking a durable, no-frills multimeter, the KKMOON model strikes a good balance between essential functions and affordability. Number 4. ANENG SC20 Multimeter. The ANENG SC20 multimeter is a remarkably versatile 3-in-1 device that effectively combines the functions of a digital oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator into one compact package. Its 3.2-inch IPS display delivers clear, vibrant visuals, making waveforms and readings easy to interpret in bright or confined automotive workspaces. The oscilloscope offers dual-channel functionality with 120 MHz bandwidth and a 250 MSAS sampling rate, perfect for detailed waveform analysis, voltage fluctuations, or pinpointing electronic glitches in modern car systems. It features 3 trigger modes: automatic, single, and normal, making it adaptable for various diagnostic situations. With a user-friendly auto mode and one-button operation, it caters to both professionals and hobbyists. Durable, multifunctional, and exceptionally practical, the ANENG SZ20 is a valuable tool for any automotive electrical toolkit. Number 5. ZOYI 225 Multimeter. The ZOYI 225 multimeter is a dependable true RMS auto-ranging multimeter designed for precise automotive and electrical diagnostics. Featuring a sharp 25,000 count LCD display with a backlight, it ensures clear readings even in poorly lit garages or vehicle interiors. This multimeter efficiently measures voltage, current, resistance, frequency, continuity, and diodes, covering the essential parameters needed for vehicle troubleshooting. An added touch is its dual-strip lighting on both sides of the screen, which synchronizes with electric field strength, providing helpful visual cue during diagnostics. Safety-conscious users will appreciate the device's automatic power-off feature, which activates after 15 minutes of inactivity, preserving battery life. This multimeter suits DIY mechanics and professional technicians alike, offering reliable performance and practical features in a sturdy, portable form. It's an excellent everyday tool for anyone working on vehicle wiring, sensors, and general electrical systems. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon